dangerous stretch of road. Two vehicles traveling in opposite directions collided head-on, causing serious damage to people and property. Both vehicles were traveling at high speed and lacked careful observation, resulting in failure to brake or avoid the collision in time, resulting in a violent collision. This accident highlights the need to obey speed limits and stay alert while driving, especially on dangerous roads. CCTV cameras have recorded a series of accidents that occurred on a dangerous stretch of road, especially when it rained heavily. The rain not only made the road slippery, but also limited the driver's visibility, increasing the risk of accidents. At the bend, drivers often had difficulty controlling the vehicle, leading to loss of control. In many cases, vehicles slid along the wet road surface before crashing straight into the edge of the road or grass. These accidents not only caused property damage, but also seriously threatened the lives of road users, creating a haunting scene on this stretch of road. If you find this video useful, leave the number 1 in the comments below to let us know. A horrific accident occurred when a pickup truck suddenly crossed the road and crashed head-on into the middle of a large truck. The strong collision killed 3 people on the spot, and another was seriously injured. This accident caused a heartbreaking scene, leaving many witnesses shocked by the severity of the incident. The lesson learned from this accident is the importance of always controlling speed and maintaining concentration while driving, especially when traveling through dangerous routes to avoid similar tragedies. On the racetrack, accidents are inevitable. In the recorded video, a racing car plunged into a ravine while going through a dangerous curve, somersaulting several times before coming to a stop. Although the car was severely damaged and no longer intact after the terrifying roll, fortunately, the driver only suffered minor injuries thanks to wearing protective gear.
Cine vrea să întreagă?
The car, traveling at high speed, lost control and crashed head-on into the rear of a tractor-trailer in front. The impact caused the car to fly off and hit a nearby bus. The horrific accident resulted in the death of 1 person and serious injuries to many others. gas station, Laura, the owner of a black car, got into an argument with another person who was also filling up with gas. During the fight, she crashed into another car at the gas station. The impact caused Laura's car to fly off the road, flip over, and become completely deformed. The incident caused serious damage to both the vehicles and the gas station. Laura will face appropriate punishment for her actions.
Methodical person. He liked to allow for contingency.
Whoa!
An engineer's margin for stress and strain. Could never feel comfortable.
Пионер, дом пионеров, да?
At night, on a stretch of road, a large truck crashed into and threw a small truck in front of it into the next lane. The strong impact completely deformed the small truck. As a result, the people in the car were seriously injured. Traffic accidents cause serious material losses and mental consequences. Everyone needs to raise awareness and obey the law to protect themselves and others. Despite the slow speed, many vehicles still encounter unfortunate accidents when passing under this bridge. This may be due to the lack of clear warning signs about height restrictions, causing drivers to be complacent. To improve the situation, it is necessary to repaint vulnerable areas, such as pillars and bridge girders, in bright colors to attract drivers' attention. Always be careful when driving under the bridge to avoid unwanted incidents. When passing the intersection, the passenger bus did not observe carefully and went straight into the intersection, colliding with a dump truck that was also moving through the intersection at a slow speed. The strong collision caused the passenger bus to flip over, causing chaos. Immediately after that, the police and rescue team were present to help each person out. The accident injured many people and severely damaged the vehicles. Let's spread the message of obeying traffic rules and protecting road safety. We can start today by becoming responsible and vigilant drivers. Don't let small mistakes become serious consequences. Share this video with your friends and relatives to raise awareness about traffic safety. Let's join hands to make the road safer, where we can enjoy life together without worrying about unnecessary risks.